Timer mo. Yan ako, sabi ka po.
Expected the world, but it flew away from her reach. So she ran away in her sleep and dreamed of paradise, paradise. Every time she closed her eyes. Expected the world, but it flew away from her reach, and the bullets catching her teeth. Life goes on, it gets so heavy, the wheel breaks the butterfly. Every tear a waterfall. In the night, the stormy night, she closed her eyes. In the night, the stormy night, away she flies. The tree got
Barangay Mataas, baka kay Albay.
Bakit tinawag na Mataas?
Hindi ko din alam. Posibleng dahil sa malataas na bundok, malataas na tanawin, at mataas na halo ng dagat.
Now you know.
And, yeah.
Good lang, be.